It's an exciting day. We're teaming up with BISD today. TSC is now testing all of their graduating welders from their senior class. And so when they get their diploma, they're ready to have a certification on their resume and go get that job interview.
When we heard about TSC having a new welding program available to our BISD students here in Brownsville, we became very excited about the opportunity for our kids to be able to stay in Brownsville and get a quality welding education without having to travel outside the city to be able to do that.
The exposure that TSC will give our students from BISD is phenomenal. My students wanted to come. I wanted to bring them. I feel that the more exposure that they have, it'll be a win for them and their family.
Starting students young and coming to a place like this is a wonderful facility. Getting the advantages earlier than the people that they're going to be competing against for these jobs is absolutely imperative.
So one of the benefits that the students get out of coming to our program and testing at our program is a more comfortable environment. They are able to be coached by a welding instructor from TSC.
My short-term goal for right now is to get my certification and then come to the TSC program and then acquire a job at SpaceX or the part of Brownsville.
The benefits of a student testing here at TSC is they learn about the opportunities available to them to expand on their training that they get from the high schools. The high schools are limited because of the time, but we're able to give them a fast-track program that allows them to have a better resume, which allows them to get a better job.